Hello, I am Justin Choi, and I'll be your instructor for today's lecture, or today's lesson. This will be about managing your Word document. As you can see in front of you, there are some word commands or word shortcuts that you might be able to use, such as Control A. As you can see, it does select everything. Now let's do Control B. Now if we do Control X, it'll take out everything. We'll press Control V to put everything back in there. Control O. Let's go back. Control P. Control F. Control M. Control Shift F. Control Shift and the arrow key, which is right past the N. So that'll just shift the font size for calibrate 11 to 12. Now if we press the one that's close to them on your keyboard, it'll decrease the size to 11. Now the Control plus left arrow, that's the actual left arrow. So if you press Control and left, it'll move to the next word. So it should move from arrow to left. Control right arrow is the same. So let's just put our mouse cursor to the right. Control up is when it begins to the very start. Control down is to the very end of the paragraph, but since there is no paragraph right now, it won't show it. Now, if we do Control plus delete, let's just put this as the word, and if we do Control delete, it'll delete the word to the right of the cursor. So, as you can see, I'm deleting the word "the." Now, if we press Control Z, it'll undo it. Control Y is to redo it. Control backspace deletes the word to the left. So you can see here, I'll deleting the word left. Now if we do Control End, it'll go to the very end. Control Home to the very beginning. Now for Control Space, that's only changing to the highlighted text to default calibrate. So we don't need to worry about that. Now we do Control Alt 1. It'll change the heading. Now if we do Control Alt 2,